To buy or enter a trade on Exness, follow these steps. Log into the Exness platform. Access your Exness account through the Exness Trader app, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Use your login credentials to access the platform. Select the trading instrument. Navigate to the quotes or market watch section to find available instruments, such as forex pairs, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. Choose the asset you want to buy. Analyze the market. Review the price charts and indicators to understand the market direction. You can use various analysis tools within the platform to inform your decision. Initiate a buy order. To place a buy order, select the instrument and click on New Order or Trade. Set the volume based on your strategy and risk tolerance. Adjust stop loss and take profit levels if you want to automatically manage the trade. Confirm the trade. After setting your preferences, confirm the buy order. The trade will appear under Open Trades, where you can monitor its progress. Manage and close the trade. Watch the trade's performance, and when you're ready to close, select it and click Close to secure profits or limit any losses.